Welcome to Mellow Mix with us, Boy Band PH, your mixed celebrity VJs for February.
Our first music video for today is something from Mariah Carey featuring Neil.
Uy, Ford, kinanta mo to, di ba, sa show natin noon? Ano bang message ng kantang ito at kanino mo dinededicate itong kanta na to?
Kasi dinededicate ko itong kanta na to sa nanay ko. Dinededicate ko rin siya sa mga taong nagmamahal natin na nasasaktan sa nangyayari mo sa relasyon nila. Kasi, basta yun yung meaning eh.
Alright, Ford, here's Mariah Carey featuring Neo with Angels Cry. Welcome back to Mellow Mix with us,
Boy Band PH.
Coming up next are Milo Mortel and Janela Salvador.
This is their contribution to the 2016 Himigando P-pop love songs.
This one is for all of the Marnella fans out there. Here they are now with Mananatili. Ngayon naman ay oras na para basahin ang ating message for today.
Yes, ito ay galing kay Nea. May advice po ba kayo sa situation na hindi kayo close na crush mo? Gusto ko siyang lapitan pero marami siyang kasamang kaibigan, nakakahiya. Patulong naman po. Kahit ba siguro ako nasa sitwasyon mo, mahihiya din ako. Pero siguro hanap ako ng timing na siguro mag-isa lang siya. O kaya pwede mong tanungin yung kaibigan niya, nakasama niya na pwede ko po bang makilala yung friend mo? Parang, siyempre at least, di ba, parang connection mo na sa friends niya bago sa kanya. Siguro, doon isang way din yan para magkakilala kayo. Ayun lang advice ko.
Pero it'd be more like a plus point kung straight with the friends kasi that shows more confidence, di ba? So that'll probably help out with, you know, a better relationship together. If you want to send in your love prompts as well, just go to the link below. Before we go, we would like to invite you to grab a copy of our self-titled album, Boy Band PH, on the Star Music featuring our latest single, Unli. Now available at your favorite record bars nationwide and at online music stores worldwide. You can also stream on Apple Music and Spotify.
Thanks for watching Mellow Mix with us, your mixed celebrity VJs for February.
We are Boy Band PH leaving you with My Love by Westlife.